Hello, this tutorial is just to show you how to block particular devices or schedule particular devices access to the internet through your Sky home router. We've already logged into our router homepage here, but you just put the IP address in the title bar, username and password, and this is the home page we get to when you start first login. Now a router is only aware of particular devices that connect to it, not users. So for example, you could have several users using one PC, but you can only control that PC's access. Same goes with other devices like smartphones, tablet PCs, etc. The first thing we need to know is we need to know the hardware address of that device, or the MAC address. If that device is already connected to this router, you can go to the maintenance tab, have a look at attached devices. You have a list of all the devices that have connected recently to the router. We're going to put a rule in for this device here. We'll just copy that hardware address. Now with the Sky router, you can only create firewall rules based on IP address. So the first thing we need to do, head on over to our advanced tab, click on the LAN IP setup, and we need to bind that particular hardware address to a given IP address. So click on the add. See, we've already got one done down here. So we're going to add another. Let's give it an IP address of 168.0.20. Put our MAC address in, and device name, our device. Click on apply, and click on LAN IP setup again. We can see it's our new device here. Okay, so now we've done that, we need to set up our firewall rule. Click on the security tab, firewall rules, and we need to add an outbound service. Click on add, and we're going to block all the time. There's some other different options here, but for purposes of this tutorial, we're just going to block any service always. And we're setting up a LAN address, so we'll say single address at 192.168.0.20. Click on apply. And there's our new rule down. Now that will be effective immediately. If we click on our if we use our device now, we'll find that the device is blocked and it won't be able to access the internet through this particular Sky router. You can also see connection attempts in our logs, and you'll see messages like this: any or all not matches, as the device makes attempts to connect. And that's it. Thanks for listening.